Hi guys, today mommy's doing my hair. Hi guys.
Hindi. Ate talking.
Hi guys. Today guys, mommy's doing my hair and I'm going to gymnastics. And Indy looks like me and she has a dirty nose.
Yeah. Hindi. Can you wipe your nose? Good morning, good morning, good morning! Happy Sabado! Another busy Saturday. So yung Saturday nga namin, puno. Merong gymnastics si Ayla in the morning. And then, sa hapon, merong swimming yung dalawa.
Hi mommy.
Hi! Say hi, guys!
Hi guys.
So, last week, sumama kami guys sa swimming. This time, hindi na kami sasama. Kasi, ang hirap niya bantayan dun. Gusto niya nga kasi lumangoy. Do you wanna swim? Do you wanna swim like the fish? Yeah? Where's the fish? And may sipon pa tong aking di. Actually, nahawa na ako. May sipon na din si Mami. Blow? Alright, blow. Meron tayong natirang brownies na gusto kong kainin. Should we have brownies? You and me? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, anong oras na ba? It is 10:40 ng umaga.
Mama.
Brownies tayo. So, maya, pag alis ng mga bata to swimming, alis din kami ni Day. Pero hindi nga kami sasama sa swimming. So, hindi ko alam saan ko to dadalhin tong batang itay. What? Magluluto ka, be? Or do you want me to heat this up? You and Mama?
Mama.
Okay. You and Mama eat brownies? What? Alright. Let's eat brownies. Wait.
Okay.
Hindi na siya nag-happy day. You don't say happy day anymore. Say happy day. Hi guys. What's your name? How old are you? You're not 2. Oh my gosh, you're almost 2. You're almost 2. Ang sarap nitong brownies na to. Ito yung binay ko kagabi. What? Anong gusto mo? No, subuan lang kita, be. Huwag ka nang, dumi-dumi niya na. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that. Honestly, so good. Bowl. Kumuha ng sarili niyang bowl. Alright, we'll heat it up first and then I'll give you some, okay? Okay. I-heat up ko lang siya ng 30 minutes. 30 minutes! 30 seconds. Mami, sili. My sleep last night was better than the other nights. So, kahit Friday, maaga kaming natulog. Kaming dalawa. Wait! It's heating up, see? I'll give you your spoon.
Mommy.
Ang aga natin ng brownies, dahil. Wala naman talaga ako planong kainin to. Gusto ko lang sanang ilagay na to sa dishwasher. Tapos sabi ko, ilagay ko siya sa Ziploc. Para nga malagay ko to sa dishwasher. Kasi i-on ko yung dishwasher namin ba? Ay, nakita man ni D and alam nyo naman tong ating D. Alam nyo naman to. Or I'll give you a little bit. Yeah, because I'm gonna feed you. Wow! Here. Yeah, use that. And do you want ice cream? No, I'll put that in the Ziploc. Block. Ziploc. Okay? Okay. Hatiin ko na siya, tapos ilalagay ko sa Ziploc. Alam mo, B, gusto kong pumunta ng IKEA. Ang layo naman. Mag-ano lang dun, chill dun. Ang layo naman, chillan. Pag drive mo na IKEA, wala na, tapos na yung swimming. Driving pa lang, tapos na yung swimming. Hindi, Ewan ko saan tayo pupunta di. Pero kailangan indoor kasi it is raining. Well, hopefully it will stop raining later, but yeah. Lagay natin ito dito. One. Two. Is that yummy? Yes? Okay. There you go. Alright, now we can put it in the dishwasher and you can turn it on. Can you move there a little bit? Good eating. Is it yummy? Mmm. Yum. All good? We can turn it on now? Your dishes. We'll just wait for your dishes, okay? Ay, mag-ice cream talaga ako. Wala na. Magbubusog na ako nito, guys. Paano na yung lunch natin? You want more? Okay. Yum. Ang sarap nitong ice cream na to. Cremissimo. It's yum. Alright. Kain lang kami ni Di. Kami na pala. Sabi ko sa'yo, subuan lang kita eh. Ayaw mo eh. Burnside tayo, babe? Hmm? Hmm? It's the same. More? Okay. Hmm. Yum. Good? Alright, tayo ay mag-sunscreen at mag-lipstick.
Mama.
Ay, ikaw. You have to finish that. Batang to.
Mommy.
Makain na naman siya. Kinuha niya yan sa bag ko. Hindi ko yan binigay sa kanya. Siya kumuha niyan. Kasi nagpack ako ng snacks. So, naka-ready na yung bag ko dun sa baba. Naabot niya. At may nakuha siyang snack. Tingnan niyo siya. Buyag, buyag, buyag.
Okay.
You have to finish that, ha? Gamit ko naman yung Artless Glow Tinted Sunscreen from Hamish. It's a very good sunscreen, you guys. Mag-blush ba tayo? Blush tayo? Blush tayo din? Yeah. Nighttime pa tayo eh. Na-ready ko na kasi yung pang-swimming ng mga bata. Ang dami pa nating oras pero na-ready ko na yung pang-swimming ng kids. So pagdating nila galing gymnastics, kain yan lang sila ng lunch. And then alis na ulit guys for swimming. So mag-ready na tayo para pagdating nila, nakafocus na tayo sa kanila. Or depende, baka dumaan to ng kung saan at kumain sa kung saan. Alright, that's it. Perfume. Ito yung inuubos ko. This is the Billie Eilish ba to? No, Ariana Grande pala. Ariana Grande na perfume. It's a good winter scent. Baka may maiwan kang dyan, Biha. Pagkain, did you finish it? Oh, good? Oh, finish? Or did you... Oh, finish? Ah. Well done! Ay, nako. Kailangan ko na namang i-tour ang bahay and i-check. Kasi, hate na hate namin yung ants. We don't want ants in the house. Wait, let's see. Alright, say hi to the guys. Where's your food? Did you eat it all? You did, yeah? Let me check. Here? Okay, I'll do here.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. I'll do your hair, okay? Hi, guys. So pretty. Ay, nako, sinisipa na din ako sa'yo, Di. Oh. It's okay, Di. Sinisipa si Di. It's okay.
Milk.
Milk. That's not milk. That's mommy's water. Alright, let's go.
Mama.
Let's go downstairs.
Milk.
Milk. Water kasi to. Kaya na tayo naghahawaan na dito. Basa ka, uy. Are you getting something? Oh, well done! Yummy? Let's go. Come on. It's cold and wet today. It's gonna be raining the whole day today, guys. Like sa weather app, 100% chance of rain Saturday. Saan ba tayo pupunta din? I think we are going to... You know what? Let's go to Target. Let's go to Target. Yeah. Ang ganda nito pang next winter, kaya lang size 2. You wanna get out? You wanna walk? Or do you wanna put that in? Dito na pala kami sa home section. Dito sa mga quilt. Meron na ako niyan. Maganda yan, guys. Magaan lang. Yung kinuha natin yan is green. Yeah, maganda yan. Meron pang iba dito, kaya lang parang hindi ko na to. It's nice. Look. Ganyan naman yung pagganap niya. Tapos merong pink and green. Kaya lang meron pa akong isa doon na in-order ko na naman sa Pilotok na hindi ko pa na-open. Tingin-tingin lang tayo. I got these but I'm not sure. Hanggang ngayon pinag-iisipan ko pa tong mga to. Kasi hindi to para ngayon. Pag binili ko to, kailangan ko pa tong i-store. Kasi for next season ba. So lakad-lakad lang talaga kami ni Dee. So far, so good, my gosh, you guys. She's just eating. Hi! Yummy? Maganda to, Pero itong kulay na to maganda din. Hindi lang yan match. Actually, it can match. Yan, pwede yung mag-match sa bedding natin. Kasi parang yun stripe na light green at saka white. Parang inisip ko lang, magkatabi sila. Parang ganun yun, pero lighter. But look, meron talagang nagtanggal ng cushion. Bakit mo tinanggal? Tapos hindi binalik. Ang galing talaga naman. It's really nice. Tapos ang light niya lang. Panglagay sa bed. But we don't really do that. We don't do that to our bed. Yung nilalagay naming pillow is yung panghiga lang talaga na pillow. Wala kaming throw pillows ngayon. Is that cute? Tingnan nyo guys, may nakita akong dress. No, this is for ate. That's not a dress, man. See? Oh, so cute. Do you want it? Yeah? Gusto ko sana to, oh. Ang ganda ng kulay, kaya lang walang size 1. Gusto ko sana i-matchy-matchy si Ayla at saka si Indy. Yeah, they have size 2, but that's way too big. So I think I can go size 4 for ate, but size 1 for you. That's too big. Masyadong malaki talaga yung bottoms. So cute, right? Alam niyo bang nag-vlog na ako kanina? Na-delete niya guys. Siya na talaga ang na-delete. Buti na lang isang clip lang yung dinilit ng batang baili. Uy, no more. No more. You deleted the other one.
Oh my God.
Hi guys, lagi. Ito yung size 1. Let's show guys this one. Look. Oh, is that pretty? Malaki. Malaki. Tingnan niyo siya. Siya lang sumakay. Good job. You did it. Well done. Can I buckle you?
No.
No. You wanna try this one? Yeah, ready? Steady.
Yeah.
Go. Wait. Wow. Oh my goodness. Do you wanna wear this for your birthday? Yeah? Birthday dress? Oh wow. Oh wow. Let me see. Wow, so pretty. Wow. Like it? Let me see. Photo for daddy. Smile. 1, 2. Okay, no. Get up, get up.
Okay.
Wow. Smile. 1, 2. Show the guys, look. Show the guys.
I got.
Wow. That's too full on. Tignan niyo siya guys. Do you like that one better? So cute. Okay, here, look. Let me see. Let me see. Photo for daddy. Here, photo for daddy. This way. This way. Yeah, this way, photo. Face mama. Uy, face me. Indy. Face mama. Indy. Indy. Kara. Uy, tora. Tuwad na. Uy. We're getting that one. Spin. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's get it. Come on, take it off.
No.
No. Ayaw na niya hubadin yung dress. Tingnan niyo siya. What's that? What sound does the monkey make? Is that baby monkey? What is it? Is it a doggy? Indy, look, baby. Baby there. Hey, look, baby. Do you want baby? Sige nga, tingnan natin ano yung mga bet mo para sa birthday mo. Uy, come back here, come back here. Put it back. Don't break it. Tingnan niyo yung dala-dala niya. May dala-dala siyang bag na may dog. Ang cute. Dog, yeah. Oh, that's a cute one too. A baby with a dog. I can get you a dog. A toy dog. Just a toy, okay? You like dog? Hilig to sa animals eh. What else do you like? Horse. Patay na. Horse. Huh? Okay, let's go. Let's pay. Let's pay for your dress. Come on. Ang cute oh. Look. Doggy. Antok na to. Lumalaban lang talaga. Alright, let's go na eh. Come on. Wanna sit there?
There,
Okay.
there.
I got the clothes. Lucky girl. Stay still.
I got.
Indy, I can see you. Indy, where are you? Are you driving the car? What? Do you wanna eat? Eat, okay. Gulo na naman ang buhok mo dahil.
Mama.
Alright, let's eat. Dumaan kami ng Foodland, bumili kami ng tuna mayo. Alright, there's a way to peel this. Wait. Ayusin natin para there's numbers, oh. 1,
There.
2. 1, 2, baby. And then 3. Alright, do you want some? Ito ma. Dinalawa ko kasi alam niya naman to. Alright, here. Kuha siya kanya. Here. Bite. Wait, mommy bite that. Ano? Mm. Mm. Alright, you guys, let's go home. Antok na tong aking di. Patulugin ko na to sa bahay. Diba di? Nakabili tayo guys ng mga damit. Mostly naka-sale. Yung iba hindi. Kasi dapat hindi na talaga namimili. Para sa ano naman siya, kids. Because again, I don't need anything. So I've been good. Wala akong binili for me. Kasi wala naman akong kailangan. Pero yung mga bata, like, especially heading to a different season na naman soon, they always need clothes. So kapag umaalis ako, and alam mo yun, minsan talaga gusto mong bumili kahit na wala ka namang kailangan. Alam mo yun, kasi you're working so hard and then you wanna spend money sometimes. But I'm good naman. I'm really not like a big spender at all. So, wala talaga akong problema doon. But yeah, may mga times talaga na, ano ba yan? Trabaho ka lang ng trabaho. Shopping ka naman. But then again, I don't really need anything. So yung sinashopping ko most of the time is for the kids. Which is good. I still get my shopping fix. I'll show you guys later kasi mga cutie-cutie yung mga nabili natin for the kids. Hi, rental. Dinaanan natin yung nirentahan namin bahay noon. Before kami lumipat dyan sa bahay na iyan, kami ay nag-rent. Guys, ang tahimik ng bahay. Tulog si Indy sa taas, wala pa yung aking pamilya. So let's do a haul. Again yung nasabi ko kanina, sale mostly. May 2 t-shirts, 3 t-shirts lang na hindi naka-sale ba. This for Indy next year. Size 1 siya, guys. Size 1. Kasi nga malalaki talaga yung bottoms. Naka-sale to. Yung mga pang-winter nila, mostly naka-sale na. And this one for Arlo. Ayan. Naka-sale din. Meron siyang pocket sa likod. Size 3 naman to. Ang laki no. Ang laki ng size 3. And then I got it in this color. Ang ganda nitong kulay na to. Tapos ano lang, ganito na kulay na top. O, diba? Ang ganda. Jumper ba? Sobrang ganda. Pwede rin to pang summer. Perfect to pang travel actually. Tapos t-shirt lang yung upper para naka-cover yung legs ba. So, kapag nasa plane, alam mo yun, this is perfect. And then yung nakita nyo na kanina, ang cute-cute. Suot-suot niya kanina. Inisip ko for her birthday party. Well, wala namang party, but for her birthday, second birthday, kasya-kasya sa kanya, guys. Naka-sale to. Yeah, summer dress siya eh, pero naka-sale siya. From $35, $18 na lang. I know na ang dami ng damit ni Indy, especially kapag nag-go through ako ng mga nakatago na galing kay ate. But, sobrang cute lang nito. Tapos, gustong-gusto niya din. So, I got that for Indy. Ay, ang dami pa niyang dress na binigay ni Tita MJ. Mga dress, mga tutu skirt. Hindi ako bumili ng tutu skirt. May mga nakita ako doon. Pero sabi ko, sobrang dami na niya talaga. Alright, anyway. Alright, ito yung last na naka-sale. Ang cute for ate. So, yung size naman nito is 5. Feeling ko, kasya na to sa kanya. And ang maganda sa kanya is skirt siya, diba? But, it's actually a skirt. Ang cute lang kasi hindi din siya ganun katigas na denim. Kasi si Ayla nga, sensitive siya sa mga tela. Mabilis siyang nakakatihan sa mga tela. Yeah, ayaw niya ng masikip. Alam mo yun, na mga tela. Now, I found this one. It's an oversized fit. It's organic cotton na from Target, guys. Look at this, guys. Bagay siya dito. For Arlo kasi to. And then, bagay din siya dito. Oh my gosh. Look at that. See? Yan yung sinasabi ko. Airport outfit. Bagay na bagay. For some reason, mas madali kong nahahanapan ng outfit si Arlo kaysa sa girls. Yung available sa shops ha, parang mas gusto ko yung nakikita ko na mga outfit ng boys kaysa sa girls. Kasi ito gustong-gusto ko to. Kung lalaki ako, ito yung mga damitan ko, yung mga simpulan lang ba, yung wala masyadong drawing, wala masyadong ganap. Anyway, ito yung mga t-shirts na bago na, kasi nga, hindi naman, ano na bang season tayo ngayon? Basta patapos na yung winter. I got this for Ayla and Indy. Machi-machi silang dalawa. Size 2 and size 6. O, diba? Tapos ano lang, plain shorts, biker shorts, or skirt. And then I got this for Ayla kasi feeling ko bagay na bagay siya dito. So yan yung nabili natin, guys. Happy ako sa mga nabili natin. Tuwang-tuwa ako. Sana kasya to kay Inday. So tanggalin ko lang yung mga tags kasi I'm also doing laundry because it's Sabado. You guys know, Sabado. Yung kay Arlo, yung ang cute. Ang gaganda ng kakulayan. Yung sa girls, kasi wala masyadong mga plain. Alam mo yun? Or ako lang ba? Or sa shops lang na pinupuntahan ko, it's always like very, mga bright na mga colors. Which okay lang naman. Pero sana merong option ng mga yung mga ganitong kakulayan. Meron siya sa boys. Ito, gustong-gusto ko tong kulay na to. As in, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hintay ka na lang dinner, be. Almost dinner time. Okay? Just wait for mama. You broke it? You need help? What do you say to the fish?
Yes.
Hello, fish. Do you want this? No. Here, close it. Let's wait for dinner, okay? Good job. Say, hi, fish. Swim? Swim, fish? Oh, no. Did you feed fish? So what's the fish name? Say Fanta. Ay, sorry. Where are you going? Careful, careful. baby. Is that a fish? Oh, come here. Yeah. No, you're too young. You're a baby. What do you mean, cappuccino? We can have hot chocolate tonight. Oh yeah. Hot chocolate. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ice cream. Ice cream. Okay, later. Okay. After dinner. Okay. Put your shoes away.
That's what you have here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really funny.
You can help me cook. Yeah. It's in the air fryer.
Oh, but
Thank you for your offer.
yeah.
How was swimming today?
Pretty good.
Was it the best swimming in the whole wide world?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Oh, what happened? Let me help. Ooh.
What we have that?
That's chili.
We
Careful.
have chili.
You guys, parang kaka-edit ko lang ng vlog na ito yung niluto ko. That was a week ago already, guys. That was Saturday. But, crispy pork. This is so yummy. So this time, ito na yung kakainin ko. Crispy pork talaga with rice. Kasi last time sinisig natin siya eh. Baka isipin yung araw-araw kanila ng pork, no? That was 1 week ago. Feeling ko kasi parang kahapon lang yun kasi kaka-edit ko lang ng vlog. But, hindi man kaka-edit. But parang, fresh pa sa memory ko na nag-edit ako na ito yung ulam ko. So, yeah. Wait. Can you help me? Yeah. Arlo likes this.
I don't know.
This is meat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I like meat.
But do you need?
Oh my gosh. And my crispy pork's really good. You tasted it before. You love it.
When did we taste it?
Hmm?
Where did we taste it?
Binoil ko before ko nilagay sa air fryer.
My favorite.
Kapag ganito air fryer talaga ako guys kasi
They're
hindi
not
ko
my
kaya yung
favorite now,
pansik.
Mom.
Hindi loves this.
I love this.
You love this? I know.
Yeah, probably taste the butt.
Wait. Let me cut it smaller for you. There you go. You can try that if you want.
Yeah, do I hold it? Or
Yeah,
not hold
hot? Too hot? Maybe wait. It's gonna be too hot, boys. Gagawin, nandito na nga ang isa. Yummy?
it? Yeah.
Told you. Do you want it with rice? Just wait, Indy. Just wait.
Mama, do.
Galanlan na ka diha dong. You alright? Indy, wait, ha?
I told you this is Indy's favorite, Mom.
Yeah, I know this is Indy's favorite. Everything is her favorite. Excuse me. Unahin ko muna tong mga bata, guys. Nandun pa yung isa sa air fryer.
Put right there.
Do you want me to
put
cut?
right here.
Wait, let me just. You want me to put it on the ears?
Yeah, put it
Let
right
me just
here.
cut it smaller for
And
you.
Mom, look at me. Put it right there. Put it right there. Put it right there.
Okay.
Hi guys, today I'm doing this show. And no, there's only Indy coming, Mommy coming, Ollie coming, and of course I'm eating some. So, Diddy, you can just eat one. So,
Alright.
Diddy.
Do you want ice cream and brownies?
I
job, Ayla. Do you want brownies as well, Lindy?
Bye.
Yes?
Aga.